Hi everyone, Evan here at the Chronicle for Wednesday, September 21st, 2022, where the future starts today. As I'm sure many of you have seen by now, the Fed went up 75 basis points on rates. Here's my big takeaway though. It looks like, contrary to what many of you, especially in certain industries, have been saying on rates, it looks like the Fed funds rate is going to peak at around 4.5% in early 2023. So not only was there a pivot coming, it looks like there's going to be another rate hike in Q1 of 2023. Or, at the very least, rates are going to peak a lot higher than many of you thought. Let that sink in. If you think I'm wrong, have a look at the US 2-year yield today. Started rallying right from the off this morning, and now it's over 4.1%. Again, the bond market, who knows more than you and me combined, is telling you rates are going to go a lot higher than a lot of people seem to think. Not me saying it, the bond market's saying it. Of course, as you know, I believe the Bank of Canada is going to have to follow the Fed. They've always followed the Fed. If they don't, the currency is going to be weaker than it already has. This is one of their deputy governors at the Bank of Canada yesterday. I'm going to read through this statement, and you tell me if there's a pivot coming. The more businesses are convinced inflation will fall, the more likely it is to happen. Preventing inflation expectations from de-anchoring will help policymakers curb price pressures without as much economic cost. To avoid a wage spiral, some have suggested that policymakers may need to engineer a substantial slowdown or even a recession. So no matter where the economy goes, it looks like inflation is the number one goal. Their words, not mine. And how long have I been saying it? They don't give a crap for the assets you own, because those where inflation affects the most don't typically own any assets. Okay? Short and sweet. All I need to say on this. Smash a like, leave a comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitter and Insta, handle in the description. Have a nice day, everybody.